Hello guys, so how to buy KNUT from Zoo token. Now, so before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now let's go to buy this token. Now, as you can see, this is their website. It's look like the XP or Windows XP. It's old. Now, how to buy the token? Now, it's available in Radium. Now, first of all, click on connect the wallet. I will just select Phantom. Now, as you can see, my wallet is connected. Now, go to your wallet, and now here, click on swap. Now, make sure you have enough Solana in your Phantom. Now, from here, search for the QNUTs from Zoo, and this is our token. Now, I'm sure how much you will to buy, and this is how much you will receive of this token. Now from here, select the provider, and now this is the information of the price. Now after that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your Phantom. So this is how to buy QNUT from Zoo token. Thanks for watching.